Hi everybody, welcome to Piethon Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make your very own Mad Libs program, part 1. So basically for this Mad Libs program, it's going to be kind of similar to the old McDonald program I made. It's just another example of how to use prints and inputs. So basically what we're going to do, as usual, is just new file, and then I always like to start off a program, specifically games, by telling the users what's going to happen. So I'm just going to write print, parentheses, quote, welcome to the Mad Libs game. So then the user knows, okay, this is a Mad Libs game. So then I'm just going to write, please answer the following questions to complete your Mad Lib. So if you guys don't know how to use prints and inputs, you can always just revisit my videos from before. If you do, then let's jump right into it. Basically, in a regular Mad Lib, there will be spaces for different things like adjectives, verbs, nouns, things like that. So every time we see one of those, we're basically just going to write a variable for it. So I'm going to post a Mad Lib that I created in the description below, so you can use that, or you can just select an online Mad Lib to use. So the first space that I have is for a name. So I'm just going to write name equals input, parentheses, quote, please enter a name. If you are using a different Mad Lib, then you'll need to customize these a little bit. Now, as we did before, we need to alter our variables as we have name 1 and name 2. So, because we have two names, then we're just going to go like this. So name 1, name 2. This is because if we have the same variable name, it's just going to replace it every time we ask. So that means if on the first one their name is Jesse, and then in the second one they put in Mary, then instead of storing Jesse and Mary, they're just going to store Mary. So as long as we name it different variables, then it'll store it separately. So now equals input, parentheses, quote, please enter another name. You can't say please enter a name. I just like to say another name, that way they know it's a different name. So then the next one we have is an adjective. So you can put ADJ. I'm going to write adjective just because it's easier for me to see. Equals input, parentheses, quote, please enter an adjective. So basically for the rest of the sections you have, so any questions in the sheet, so anytime you have an adjective, noun, a verb, a name, whatever, you're just going to put an adjective or noun or whatever you want to name your variable. You don't have to name these name 1, name 2, adjective. You can name them whatever you want. These are just the variable names I'm using. So you can name these 1, 2, you can name it N, you can name it A. It really doesn't matter as long as they're unique. So basically in the next video, I'll show you the finished input statements and I will show you how to do the rest of it so that you can actually put your users' answers into the final Mad Lib. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, put them in the comments below and I'll try my best to address them. Happy programming!